Hi, welcome to the Carbon Dioxide Removal Newsroom. Here's your weekly roundup of top CDR developments from past week. Mirova invested $40 million in carbon projects in Argentina, Costa Rica, and Madagascar to restore 40,000 hectares, remove 9.5 million tons of CO2, and support local communities. Momback raised $30 million Series A to scale Amazon reforestation and carbon removal. Centric got a third Enova SF grant to study capturing 30,000 tons of CO2 per year from biogenic waste at Solør Bioenergi's Kirkenær plant. Carbon Alpha selected Mangrove Systems for digital MRV for the North Star BECCS project. Mission Zero opened world's first fully integrated direct air capture plant in Norfolk, UK, that has ability to capture 250 tons of CO2 per year for carbon-negative limestone. BiocharIND launched by PRESPL, APChemi Intellecap to build India's largest biochar carbon credit platform. CarbonRx joined Terrestrial storage of biomass coalition to scale biomass-based carbon removal. Chestnut Carbon planted 17 million plus trees on 30,000 acres in the largest US afforestation project. 𝐖𝐞𝐞𝐤𝐥𝐲 invested in Carbon Removal Partners VC Fund for Net Zero Tech. CO2 Sink and Carboforce opened Utah's first biochar plant, using beetle-killed wood for carbon removal. Biomass launched $9.7 million reforestation project in Brazil that aims to plant 2 million trees on 1,200 hectares to generate 500k carbon credits over 40 years. Carbonite opened Canada's largest industrial biochar plant in Quebec. Crew Carbon issued first-ever wastewater alkalinity (CDR) credits to frontiers under Isometric. Cascade Climate released ERW metal accumulation calculator, which is a tool to help assess potential metal accumulation risks in soils from enhanced rock weathering projects. UK government opened public consultation on GGR and BECCS funding models, closes 9th June 2025. Carbon Removal Alliance published policy memos on the opportunity for partnerships between CDR companies and the mining and wastewater industries. GFI released a new report assessing the investment readiness of 6 CDR technologies in UK. Centric released a white paper on integrating CDR into corporate sustainability strategies. UC San Diego researchers proposed gene-edited crops with enlarged roots to remove up to 1.2 gigaton of CO2 per year by 2038. That's all for now. Subscribe to the Carbon Removal Updates Substack newsletter for more details. Thank you.